Okay, now family. See, I went ahead. I'm gonna take out my coconut out of crack the coconut, and I've showed that was shown in the other videos that we did the rundown on the outside. We went in depth in all of that, and I'm gonna leave the link to those videos in the descriptions. You go check them out. We went all in depth showing you how to pull the coconut from the shell and all of that. Hello, please. This is how your coconut to cook rundown must look. Now I'm going, you're not supposed to wash this coconut, but you can wash it with a little warm water. Because sometimes the nature of the coconut, when you're pulling it, it leaves some of the little dusty things. So I have some warm water here, not hot water, You just put a good amount, look at it. And you just rinse, because listen to me. We're trying to get the oil. You see there, it's not hot enough. See my hand there, it's warm. So you use it to wash the coconut. If your coconut is too, like too dusty, you just use it, put it in the colander and use it like that. So the warm water at all times. And you're also going to use the warm water to extract the juice from the coconut. This is how we do it. And all of those were in those videos in depth. Now, I've changed the water from the salt mackerel. Look at it. Each time you change it, it's clearer and clearer. We have one more to go. I hope you're all in on all this information. Most of those information were given in depth, and as I said before, I'm going to leave the link. But the only difference that we did it on the outside. Hi, Jesse, out of front there, kick up, run, push out of back there, You understand? But we're doing this on the inside. This is my great, and I know you're going, Miss Debbie, look here now, ma'am. After we there, we step up, we don't them things that I know, darling, I know. You got a good old blender here. I showed you in those videos, or is it another video? But I'll find that video and leave the link. How you go about slicing up your coconut to blend it. So go ahead, honey child, honey bunny, and make this grater. This is for Miss Debbie down a yard. You've got your hotty blender. Go extract your juice via the blending mode. So when we come back, we are going to have coconut juice. Please do not do any long water, you see, unless I forget. We have her Susumba right in camera, girl. She's videoing, but she's not well, but please help to pray for her. We have here, we're gonna steam these gully beans, and we don't want no extra water because we're going to steam them. That when we don't want a lot of water, sorry, we're gonna steam them on a low heat. We want them to come cook soft and nice. We want them to steam, and when it's finished, we just have a small amount of liquid in there because we're not chewing off this gully bean water, okay? And okay, we have just uploaded a video for diabetics. You can also drink the water from this gully bean. It is good for the diabetes. Okay, so we're leaving the gully bean here. We're gonna turn on the flame for steam. We'll have a coconut, so we're gonna grate the coconut, get it juice off. And the next move will be, I hope you're following me step by step. Please to follow me. Post up what you do as you go along on Instagram. Let us follow each other that way. You're going to use your non-stick, your wooden spoon, your blender. But please do not come back here with any long water. You want some nice, strong coconut milk. Okay? Okay, now family. This is our milk. Right? When you juice your coconut, this is how you want it. Now we're gonna start on high heat, and we are gonna leave this to boil. I don't know. I can't say. I'm not gonna say to you all. It's 1 hour and a half, or we're gonna leave our milk to boil, because this milk has got to boil until it has been reduced to a certain point. When it starts to boil, you're gonna come and lower. Remember, you start boiling on high. You're gonna come reduce your heat to medium, okay? And then after that, you proceed on medium until it goes down. When it reaches the point where we're going to put in with salt, mackerel and stuff, I will come back to show you. Now I have my gully beans and Mr. Sumba over here. They are steamed off. Look at them. Okay, and I'm gonna burst one in case you have never seen it. And this is what is inside. It is cooked. There are some other little fine, small seeds inside there. When one of these bursts inside your mouth in the rundown on the salt mackerel, it releases a certain flavor with a little bitterish taste, but it is nutritious. My salt mackerel is right here, and it is in the last set of water before we get it scalded off. Yes? So this is it. So we will return in part 3 to show you the rest of this. Okay.